Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Do you need to brighten up your child's bedtime routine? This nightlight by Lumi Pets has completely changed my kids' attitudes about bedtime. With 12 different stages of brightness and 9 different calming color options, my kids have fun tapping and cuddling their squishy little friend. I love the high-quality silicone material that keeps it cool to the touch and won't heat up while they play and have fun with this adorable little owl friend. It came with this cute little remote with all the options to not only change colors and patterns, but also the brightness level and 3 different timer options. This allows my kids to have fun until time is done. It is USB-C charging, and I find the battery life is great. It literally is the perfect relaxing POW for sweet dreams and peaceful nights.
And that's our point of view.